Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, welcome to AppSex online support program. This is Shaukat Nasir from Army Public School Boys Branch Senior Section 2. Welcome to class 10. Today is 11th May 2020 and the day is Monday. Today we will start up a new lesson in this new session, and our topic is programming techniques. Open book page number 8 and 9. Today our objective is student will be able to understand different problem solving techniques in everyday life. हम एवरीडे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम को किस तरह और कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. देन वी विल सी हाउ वी कैन डिफाइन द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट इज द रीजंस, देन हाउ वी एनालाइजिंग द प्रॉब्लम, वी विल सी द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑन बुक पेज नंबर 9, understanding the problem. Understanding what is meant by the understanding the problem. Problem solving is the main task of computer science. Main task is the main work. Which is the job of computer programmer? तो computer programmer है, उसकी job क्या है कि किसी problem को solve करना. Let's suppose if someone asks you to design a website, which problem we are going to solve? Designing a website. How we can design website, there are various steps, what is the customer requirements. Programmer must first understand how a human solve a problem, then translate into a set of instruction in a programming language that a computer can understand and execute. Dear student, you have already studied in your previous classes that what is programming language. Programming language means to write a program so that the computer can understand. You can say programming language is the interface, the bridge between human and machine. What is machine? That is computer. Then defining the problem. Defining the problem is initial stage of problem solving. You can say it is the first stage of problem solving. How we can solve the problem. It is very important to understand the problem before programmer starts working on its solution. एक अच्छा प्रोग्रामर वही है जो कि किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने से पहले उसके बारे में तहकीक करे, रिसर्च करे. Think about the problem. The following are the steps to properly define and understand the problem. There are various steps involved in this stage. For example, carefully read the problem. Read the problem. Find out what the problem asks you to do. कि क्या problem हमें दी गई है. What we have to do. हमें क्या करना है. What information can be obtained. किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें इंफॉर्मेशन कौन कौन सी अवेलेबल है. What is required to be calculated as a solution. The answer to the problem is how we can come to the solution. What is required, क्या चाहिए हमें to be calculated, calculate करेंगे as a solution. For example, a person is unhappy with the product or a service he or she has purchased from a company. Let's suppose while you purchase a laptop or a computer or anything or a toothpaste, you are unhappy with that product. Then how you will solve that problem, or how the company, the brand will solve your problem. There are various steps. Someone who dislike the product, someone who the products. Let's suppose कि आपने लैपटॉप खरीदा, वो लैपटॉप आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को पूरा करता भी है कि नहीं है. Then how we can analyze the problem? This is another very important step in problem solving. At this stage of problem solving, the programmer investigates. Investigate means find out the cake, the problem को, and gathers as much information as possible to find a solution. Maximum information required करेगा problem solver, that is a computer programmer, to find the best solution. You should keep in mind there may be more than one solution for a problem, but what we will do, we have to choose only the best solution. Analyzing the problem. This is another stage of problem solving. The following are the questions are to be asked to analyze the problem. Let's suppose if you are going to solve the problem of someone, the following questions may be asked. Is it possible to solve the problem on a computer? क्या ये प्रॉब्लम कंप्यूटर में सॉल्व हो सकती है? फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपसे कोई कहे कि ये बुक को टाइप कर दे कंप्यूटर, टाइप दिस बुक इन योर कंप्यूटर, इट इज़ पॉसिबल. If someone asks you to put this book in the computer, this is not possible. So whether this solution to this problem will exist or not, what is to be done to find the solution? हमें क्या करना है कि हम solution को find out करें. What are the inputs and outputs? Inputs क्या होंगे और outputs क्या होंगे? Let's suppose if you are designing a calculator in a programming language, how the calculator will display and calculate the sum. This is output. Regarding this output, what inputs required? So what are the inputs and what are the outputs? Which solution is the best and why? कौन सा solution अच्छा है और क्यों? How solution will be implemented? Implemented mean कि practically solution किस तरह से काम करेगा? How? Student, you can read the problem 1 on book page number 9. And further, I suggest you to read book page number 10. Know the outcome you want. Prepare for the discussion. Find out what the organization complaint process is and follow this. Today we learn defining the problem. हमने problem को define किया. We define the problem. Then we take some example from everyday life. Then we analyze the problem. How we analyze the problem, तहकीक कैसे करते हैं, investigate कैसे करते हैं, problem को solve किस तरह करते हैं. You should read book page number 8, 9 and 10 for better understanding and learning of these few important techniques. You have to write this question on your notebook. Question number 1. Explain what is meant by problem solving in computer. Answer is available on book page number 9. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you again. Allah Hafiz.